Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make one video which is share folder, right? So in Windows server, or this is our see here, this is my file server, right? So this is file server and here is like my IPage, right? What I want to do, I want to make one folder here, right? I want to make a folder in file server, and that file folder I want to share with like in a particular groups, right? Suppose IT admin in a group or a marketing group or parts groups, any groups, because I have a here already I have a the groups right here, department, right? So this is I have a departments. I want to give the like in a particular folder for the particular department. Okay, so let's try to make how many groups here? Okay, here is two, right? Parts has a two. Okay, let's do the like in a parts group. Okay, so I want to make a one parts data folder, not here in file server, because this one is I already like set up, right? So I think how to do that, right? So how to like connect to like our server and like this synchronize this file server and our DC, right? So if you know about that, so let's do that. Okay. Okay, so first of all, what I do, I just make a one share files folder here. Inside here I made like a parse file here, right? So parse files, one folder here, right? So nothing here, so we can put that later. Okay, so let's share this one. Okay, this file, parse file, or you can do one more thing here. If you want to make like different, it's okay, no problem, right? Parse uh, data RW, something like that, like the cell here, right? I'm making here parse data RW. Okay, so this folder we are going to share for the parse group. Okay, department. let's uh, let's see here, this one is already here. It's okay, now it's okay. So now I'm going to like minimize this one, and here this is our server manager, right? This is server manager. Here you can see here file and storage services, right? Just click here, and you can see the share here. Click here, right? So this is very important, so this kind of share is give the like particular folder for the particular department. So that's why this is very good, and good try to like good try for the like in server. Okay, so just click the share here, and here you can see the tasks here, right? So click here, and click the like in a new share, just here. Okay, when you come here, you can just like in a share quick, select this one and go next. Okay, and here you can see like server name, right? Status, cluster roles, everything here, right? Here is share location also. So we have a share location here, but we have to go here first. Okay, type custom path here, so we have to choose from there. Okay, just browse it, and you can see here your share folder here, right? Share folder, and you can see here like parse data RW, read and write, right? So select this folder. See here the path is here, right? Now select it. Okay, this one is come here. Now just click next button here, and here is just you can put here like this, is no problem, right? Just click this one, and the local path is this one, and this is our remote path share. Okay, just click next. Nothing to do here, nothing. Okay, here you have to choose like enable access based enumerers, right? And just select this one, access based enumerers display only on the file and folder that user has permission to, right? Access. So just choose this one, and this choose this one. Okay, just next. Okay, now here is you have to give the permission for the particular groups. So specify, right? specify like a permission to like control access, right? So now choose the like custom permission here, right? Here you can choose you have to like nothing here, right? So just like disable like inheritance first, right? Convert the inheritance. And if you have here something other users, something like that, user one, user two, something like that, in that case you just select and remove. Okay, but here I think so this one we don't need actually, this IT admin group, we don't need this one, right? So I don't need this one. So because we are going to do for the like only for the parts group, right? So that's why I don't need that. So others is okay, just like click add. And here select the principal here, right? Now here you have to give the like a permission for the like particular group. So which is the that group? Parts, right? Just parts type here, just check the name in here. Now here see, you can choose one by one user, or you can choose like a whole group, because I already added these two group, two user in this parts group. Let me show you that here. Okay, this parts, right? Check it out here, double click and then check the member here. See here, I added already. If you want to add more groups, I will show you like one more, if you didn't like add that person with this member, so what will happen, he can like access or not, he can access that folder or not. So you can see that. Okay, and here is a member of group is domain user, right? I already did that, that's why. So we don't have to choose one by one, so we have to choose this parts group directly, because these portions are already added here, right? So just click OK here. Now this one is a we added here, just close OK. Now so here basic permission, right? Full control, modify, read and execute list folder, this is a permission. So we have to give the like read and write also, right? So write also, so give this one. If you want to show the like advanced permission, you can do that, delete or give the like delete permission, but mostly like they don't give the like delete permission, right? So that's why just give the like read and write, that's it. Okay, now click OK, and here apply and OK, and the next, right? And confirmations, everything is good here, right? Just click create. Check it out here. So create SMB share completed, set SMB's permission completed, right? Everything is success. Just close this one. Now test it. So I'm going to open so one Windows 10 and this one. So let me like a sign in, just restart this one, right? Okay, so now sign in time. So we have to go for the other user, because we have a two parts one. Check it out here first, this guy's accounts, right? So his login is like parts.user1, right? So I'm going to use this parts.user1, right? And appl 123. So this is my password, normal password, right? I'm just like trying to in Hyper-V, so that's why. So let's see. Okay, now I can log in here, right? So let me try that. That the this has a like here I have to go back here, and the local here, this is our IP, right, for the this file server 03. Okay, so I will go here and type 192 dot 192.168.0.3, right? This is my file server in IPs. Just click here. You can see here this file server, all the folder which is we already share, right? So you can see all. So this one is a our set folder, right? Parts data rw. Let's try to like open the other one. Let's try, just double click. See here, you don't have a permission, right? You don't have a permission to access this sales data RW, right? Let's try this one because we already shared this one for the parts group, right? Let's try this one. Double click. See, this is open, right? So what you understand here? So you understand here, if you have a, like a permission for that particular folder, you can open only that folder. Otherwise, you can open that. We can see that here, right? Suppose let's see this one. Okay, see this one you can, right? So these guys can read and write. Let's make a one folder here, test one folder. Okay, uh try this one. Okay, I think these guys cannot read and write here, so we give that. Okay, so he can open, he can make a folder that. Let me rename this one. I can rename or not? Oh, we did not give the like a rename rename permission, so that's why he cannot rename this one. Okay, so what happened here now? See, because this guy has I mean like this parse this parse user one has only permission to read and write only, right? So he can read and he can write only. Or suppose I made here one text document. Okay, just I can do that. See here, tx text. I can do this one. I will tell you why this one. Just make this one documents. Okay, so he can write maybe this is test doc. Okay, I will go and just save it. Okay, okay, he can save that, right? Read and write only. Now, so if I want to like uh, modify this one, or like change the rename, so what should I do? We have to give them like in that permission also. So for that, so let's go to like back to our that file this folder, right? So file server, and go same folder here, share, right? So this is our share folder, right? So I will go right click here and then just properties here, right? Then here is a permission here, permission. So we have to edit here. So customize permission again. And which principle is that? So this is this principle, right? So allow and edit. Go edit here and see here. So you can see only like read and execute, list folder, read, write. He doesn't have a like modify. Let me see the more here. Okay, so we didn't give him like delete also, right? Don't give this one. Mostly we don't give the like delete permission to that clients, I mean the user. Okay, so he can modify, but like only when he make like in his folder, right? So let me check it out here. Where is that? I will go to so here and modify here, right? This one, and just okay, and apply. Okay, apply. Okay, okay. So we give the like permission for the modify. Okay, let me try to modify this one now. Rename test folder one. See, now he can modify. Before he could not like modify the folder, right? Now this one also he can modify. Text one. See, got it? But I want to like delete this one. See, I right click delete. See here, are you sure you want to permanent delete this folder? Okay, okay. Oh yeah, so modify means like he can do that too. So otherwise you can give here. See here, you can give him like delete folder also. So here you can go here and permission here. You understand that, right? What I'm saying, right? So just like I said, click this one, edit, and give him like other permission here also. Oh, this one, see, this one is automatically like what do you call that, checked. when I give the like modify, suppose see here, if I go modify, this one is automatically like selected, right? So this happened because if you give him like modify, means like you can change, right? Change or something like that. So that's why is give you like a delete permission also. That's why he could like delete that folder. Okay, so this way you can change the like give the permission to like share folder for the particular groups. I hope you guys understand that. So you can try this one. So it is very important for the like as a like system administrator. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye.